kids are missing that childhood eras, that teenage eras. They are directly switching to, adult wala life. We should not lose our own identity.
So you should know and filter, like you should know where to put the filters for your friends, This is a very important aspect. Oh, this is not for me.
Everybody wants to come first. Why everybody wants to just enjoy the race at whatever position you are, I feel.
Basically, what we conclude is ki lifestyle change is a very important factor.
Very true. There's no shortcut to it, I feel.
Hormones also playing a role in your body.
Females never used to get support from family. अच्छा ये क्या drama कर रही है, ये क्या ये कर रही है. So just love them the way you love their own child. Hello everyone, so this is Dr. Parveen Mullaji from Shades Aesthetic Skin and Hair Solutions. So this is a new series which I have got for all of you all, wherein I'll be introducing various other doctors who are experts in their field, which will be beneficial for you all. So today I have Dr. Anjum Syed. She's practicing gynecology in Kalyan since 2001 and she's really expert in her field. So Dr. Anjum Syed.
Thank you, Parveen Mullaji, and hello everyone. I am practicing in Kalyan since 2001. My expertise are complicated obstetric cases. I'm very much interested in gynecology and of course I deal with infertility to some extent. Yes.
Wow.
What are we into today?
So ma'am, the reason why I have invited you, first of all, thank you so much for really squeezing out, I know your time and coming over here. I know you're really busy, आप बहुत busy रहते हो. So first of all, thank you so much. I really appreciate कि आप time निकाल के आए because this is a very good cause which we are going to do today. So ma'am, मेरे कुछ questions है. This is going to be a very short session wherein we will discuss जो हमें regular basis पे हमें हमारे aesthetic field में problems आती है. जैसे कि अभी we shall start with, I get a lot of patients, especially young girls, like maybe 18 years, 19 years, for that sake just उनको puberty आया है and they got a lot of issues in terms of early stage PCOD, PCOS, hormonal issues, acne. So I just wanted to understand that why is this happening and why are we are getting into all this. So what is your take on that?
Yes, Parveen. See, you are absolutely correct. जो जनरेशन से हम आज डील कर रहे हैं, we are talking about these adolescent girls, into reproductive age group, then they step in. Now you look at their lifestyles now, comparatively 20 years back, the lifestyle, what different lifestyle they are leading is the first thing I would like to clear the part. Okay. This generation is more outgoing sort of a generation.
Correct.
Eating outside.
That's one of the major concerns.
Secondly, no physical activities in the form of exercises.
Correct.
In the schools also, they are sitting in the classrooms with those laptops. Hardly, they are children into sports. Plus, their night lives. You see now children now more used to रात में जाग के चीजें देखनी है.
Correct.
एक नेचर ने एक चीज बनाई है दिन काम करने के लिए एंड नाइट
आराम करने के लिए. करेक्ट.
इस बैलेंस हमारा लाइफ में इतना डिस्टर्ब हो गया है कि ये सार का इफेक्ट जो है हमारे हार्मोन्स पे आ रहा है. सो नाउ एज यू मेंशन्ड लाइक पीसीओडी. द पीसीओडी इनिशियली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय प्रैक्टिस इन 2001, पीसीओडी जो था ना मुझे ऐसे यंग गर्ल्स में स्पेशली वंस इन अ वाइल मिलता था.
करेक्ट.
नाउ एवरी 7th और 8th गर्ल वॉकिंग माय कंसल्टेशन इज अ पीसीओडी.
करेक्ट.
ये पीसीओडी जो है ना, दे आर कमिंग इन वेरियस फॉर्म्स लाइक कुछ लोग आते हैं कि भैया ये 14 साल की हो गई है, दूसरी डॉटर है जो 10 साल की, उसको पीरियड्स आना चालू हो गए, मेंसेस चालू हो गए. मेरी 14 साल की डॉटर है, शी इज नॉट गेटिंग मेंसेस, बट शी इज वेरी
correct. Obesity.
Yes. Now obesity in this age group, you can say from 10 years to 20 years is really on the rise.
Correct. Very true.
Major chunk is to food. See, if you check, most of the weight comes from food. 70% of the chunk comes from food. तो हमारा वही तो लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो गया है.
Correct. Very true. Because majorly I get these young girls, doctor, for acne issues like pimples, hair fall, and you will not believe such young kids have depression, and I really get worried. For what? Depression for what? What is? I mean, अभी तो इन्होंने real life में कदम भी नहीं डाला है. Depression for what? Peer pressure, and all these things are really impacting their hormones.
Yes, 100%. See, your mind is your hard disk.
Correct.
So whatever feeding you get there is going to get reflected on all the functions of your body. Now, if you see, Nowadays, it is a zero-figure era. See this celebrities, you see this silver screen, as you see in media, भी बहुत ज़्यादा अभी OTC media आ गए, OTT media आ गए.
हाँ.
People are watching in OTT now.
Correct.
You'd see girls with good skin and perfect figures, coming there. तो हमको बनना तो है. उसके लिए जो struggle और जो sacrifices करने हैं, we don't want it. अब
Correct.
food industry in India is growing like
Anything, yeah.
तो हमारे यहाँ के लोग फूडी हो गए हैं. हमको रोज अलग खाना चाहिए. पिज्जा, बर्गर. What does this all contain? This is all which is making you put on weight.
Weight, correct.
Burgers are out from the European countries. Breads are out for the Western side. That is dubbed here.
Yeah, correct.
People are enjoying pizza, pasta, burger, and breads. This is all taking our girls.
Yeah, this is there definitely. In fact, I want to add on this. Now, even foreigners in all other countries outside, they are accepting naturopathy, and we are getting converted towards pizza life, bread life, all this junk food wala life.
I know, acidic love.
Yeah.
Naturopathy, like naturopathy is really on a rise now.
Yeah.
It is always better to use naturally
Naturally.
your body rather than all this chemically stuff body.
Correct.
It may be local application or it may be in the form of consumption.
Correct.
That is really that is the era which is going on right now. But as I was talking about these girls going into pieces, acne now you say, acne and hair loss.
Correct.
Acne क्यों आ रहा है तुमको? क्योंकि because it is one of the criteria for a severe form of PCOS. Acne, hair loss,
It's all interlinked.
abnormal growths. If you see,
Yes, that is the main concern, doctor. Seriously.
when you are into hirsutism with polycystic ovaries, ovaries basically अंडाकोश जो बोलते हैं, तो the form of PCOD is severe. It's a severe type of PCOD.
Correct.
Now again, if this PCOD is with excessive weight, then you go into another step up criteria.
सोने पे सुहागा.
So we are fighting multiple things together. Like we are fighting तुम्हारा periods का cycle, you're fighting weight, you're fighting acne, you're fighting hair loss, you're fighting excessive hair growth on your facial parts, like
Face.
beard,
Yeah.
mustache.
Upper lip, chin, side locks. Yeah.
So you're fighting multiple problems, but the solution is what? Your lifestyle.
Exactly. And I think this is what we really don't want to pay attention on. Because on my practice also, doctor, when I consult my clients, जब मैं consult करती हूँ, I make sure that I am paying a lot of attention on what kind of lifestyle they have, what time do they wake up in the morning, what food are they really consuming, are their basics clear or not, are they cleaning their skin all time or applying some sort of products or not, which are chemical free. So this is nothing is there. Everybody wants SSA results चाहिए. They don't want to improve their lifestyle. They really don't want to see कि exactly issue क्या है, what is the root cause because of which we are facing all this. तो आई थिंक हमने इंस्पिरेशन जो हमारी बना के रखी है, लाइक वी रियली गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय इन्फ्लुएंसर्स और सेलिब्रिटीज. एज यू सेड, वी डोंट रियली सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ हार्ड वर्क डू दे डू. करेक्ट. सो उस वजह से ये सारी चीजें हो रही है.
Celebrity अपना एक रेस्टोरेंट खोल रहे हैं.
यस.
Ask them, like if you say कि Gauri Khan has got a restaurant, but his the husband still prefers to eat homemade food at the sets.
करेक्ट. दैट इज ऑल.
Restaurant providing that food.
Why is he himself not eating?
So what you are promoting is not what you are doing. This should be understood by the young generation.
Exactly.
Abhi, for example, there are a lot of fairness schemes in India which we see years together. They make you white, they say.
Yeah.
They want to improve your skin. तो यार ये क्रेज तो इन डार्क पीपल के देशों में या डार्क लोगों में पॉपुलर हो जाती. वेरी एक्सपेंसिव क्रीम्स.
एग्जैक्टली.
अनगर गोल्ड. बट वैसा है नहीं.
नहीं है.
तो दैट इज व्हाट वी से इन मराठी, दिसतं तसा नसतं म्हणून.
दिसतं तसं नसतं. करेक्ट.
What are telling this young generation? Don't get carried away.
Exactly.
Like weight gain. See, it's just not the weight gain. It's how much of digital media you're using, how much of sleep you are taking,
Screen time.
and how much of relaxation you're giving to your body in the form of exercises, yogas. आजकल तुम you are lot of
So many therapies are there, yeah.
all that.
Yeah, mud therapy is there, massage therapy is there. Mainly, it's fasting what we should promote more. in a good form, you know, because that is very helpful for our gut cleaning. जो भी bacteria हमारे gut में होते हैं, so that is the best form to, you know, drain it from our gut if we are consuming correct eateries.
Naturopathy has a lot of gut cleaning.
Gut cleansing, hydrotherapy is there, detox therapy is there. Yeah.
So these are the things which are coming up in naturopathy in a good way. Like PCOD patients would really get a lot of help with that naturopathy.
Yeah.
But again, thing is like, are you following it on a regular basis with all inclusive package? If you feel कि मैं सिर्फ massage ले लूँगी and then I will weight loss will go down and not follow the diet. So I don't think that really goes together.
Correct.
When you
It
say
will not. Yeah. We need a lot of patience.
yes,
Like for an example, if we have a headache, so in today's area, अच्छा सर दुख रहा है, पैर दुख रहा है, गोली खा लो क्या? That particular medicine, वो खा लो, जो हम बाबा आदम के ज़माने से खाते आ रहे हैं. आजकल के बच्चे since they are small and they are eating छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों के लिए medicine. But naturopathy don't promote that. If you have headache, find the root cause of it. Why are you hungry? Do you have acidity? So work on that. You didn't took your sleep on time? उस पे काम करो. तो patience नहीं है. नहीं इतना time जिसके पास है.
it's a matter of instant things.
Exactly.
With food we want instant now.
Instant food.
Yeah, so everything is instant. Now you get ready to make packet foods.
Yeah.
It's a very good video. Like I don't remember that I'd seen it. Then there's a cookie who made it. You get cookies in the market.
Yes.
They're selling the cookies, and you make a cookie at home and keep it outside. You will see fungus on the homemade cookies in 36 to 48 hours. But you will not see this fungus on a cookie which you purchased from the market. It is cookie only. The base product is same.
Yeah.
Ingredients are the same.
Correct.
You have maida, you have sugar, you have milk, you have baking soda. That's it. But still, you have made this at home.
Correct.
That is without preservatives mostly.
Exactly.
If from outside is with preservatives. So you yourself can differentiate at home. What you are getting from outside and eating, the packet forms what we are talking about.
Yes.
And I think naturopathy goes against that.
Against that. Correct.
Much of packet foods. So that is unhealthy.
Too much. And we don't even know, our common people don't even know कि long run में if you are giving your child or if you are using that particular stuff घर पे भी, long run में you are doing it almost daily at a routine basis. So how much of damage it can actually do. People nowadays have so much of kidney issues जो पहले डॉक्टर नहीं होते थे इतने. Rarely we used to hear कि अच्छा किडनी स्टोन हो गया है या कुछ हो गया है या किडनी फेलियर है या किडनी इज malfunctioning, CRAT is increased. But nowadays even young people are facing it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You'll have run that product also being invited on your channel. Focusing more on these girls or people,
Yes. Yes.
So what you should be doing if you are a PCOS with heavy weight, that is a particular type of genotype. So you should be concentrating on more of weight loss. I mean, you concentrate more on weight loss. There are two wings to it. One is your diet.
Correct.
That is and lifestyle, and your lifestyle will include exercise also.
Correct.
So diet would be the most important focus.
Correct.
Now there are a lot of therapies in naturopathy.
Yes.
Governments, I think, weight loss.
Correct.
You should be taking it like.
In fact, doctor, I would want to say this. After COVID, I started my cosmetology course. So the main reason to opt, switching from, not switching exactly, but incorporating naturopathy into my aesthetic practice was I myself had, shifted to extreme sedentary lifestyle. So I've recently lost 15 kgs. Because this naturopathy the concept is all about be your own doctor. Yeah, so it's like I did it for my own improvement, for my own betterment. And मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि वो बिल्कुल भी easy नहीं था, coming out. I just told you about, we just had a chat. तो मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा मेरे basic lifestyle के बारे में बताया कि बहुत ज़्यादा hectic हो गया था, no time to eat, plus just 2 kids. I have gap of like 2.5 years in both my kids. तो बहुत sedentary lifestyle हो गया था, 100+ my weight was. But then the reason to do naturopathy was, firstly, of course, I want to help myself first, and then my people, my followers and my audience. So it has really helped me a lot. Of course, it took a lot of courage, time and better understanding. जब आप वो खुद समझते हो कि ये आपके बॉडी में क्या हो रहा है जो आप खा रहे हो, इवन इफ यू आर ईटिंग अ स्मॉल चॉकलेट, और व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली डूइंग व्हेन इट गोज इनसाइड योर टमी. सो वो बहुत इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करता है. इट रियली मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस.
Things to it. First of all, you should practice what you preach,
एग्जैक्टली.
what I believe in, and secondly, dedication to whatever you do.
कंसिस्टेंसी
Is also, it's not a short duration weight loss we're aiming at. It's a weight loss over a period of time,
करेक्ट.
and it has to be consistent. ये ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे अभी ज़रूरत है, like reduce weight of 10 kgs in a matter of 2 to 3 months, and then suddenly after that मेरा काम हो गया, I leave and then again I go back to my bloated size. So concept is not this. Concept is whatever you're doing, it has to be consistent.
एग्जैक्टली.
That is more important because that is only what will help you keep you away from diseases, keep you away from infertility because these girls are active, and आपको saving a lot of money. But infertility,
Of course.
line is still IVF, and how much of money people are spending on IVF, you and me and in the general public, you really see it.
Actually.
If you have to avoid those complications, your days today.
Correct. So my next question was that only, that I do get a lot of patients who ask for this कि हमारा जो है conceiving का treatment चल रहा है, but at the same time my husband don't like कि मेरे मुंह पे बाल है, मुझे पिंपल आ गया है, मेरा weight gain हो रहा है, ये सारी चीज़ें. So how do I tell, or how do I tackle those patients in terms of a gynecologist perspective?
See, as far as I'm concerned, when such a patient comes to me, कि भाई infertility है, and I have a lot of other issues like facial hair or my voice is changing, I'm sleeping too much, I'm cutting too much of weight, I'm not much of interested in my my life with my husband. So ये चीजें also is coming from an unhealthy lifestyle.
Correct.
See, when you say ना कि when you're externally beautiful, you grow beautiful internally also. So you have to take part of two things in your life.
Yeah.
One is your outer beauty and one is your inner beauty. Every person likes to interact with beautiful people,
Correct.
to have it. So if I enter my house, if my husband enters my house and I have a movie face, like anybody look at,
Of course.
what would bring smile to your life if you feel good looking at yourself in the mirror?
Exactly.
See, for the facial hairs and all this, now a lot of machines have come out.
Of course, laser hair reduction is there if we are doing it in a correct pattern. Like.
So these are assisting methods
Hmm.
which can help you, to make yourself externally beautiful. But to be internally beautiful, you have to have your own efforts. You have to have self-control. You have to follow a doctor's instruction. Of course, if a patient is coming to you, you're an naturopath, you are going to give them medications, you're going to advise them whatever helps them. But the major chunk of activities, a major chunk of contribution comes from the patient.
Exactly.
think मुझे healthy होना है, मुझे weight reduce करना है. I want these things out of my life, and you definitely have to take extra pains initially.
Correct.
कोई भी unaccustomed चीज होती है, जैसे एग्जाम्पल मुझे किसी चीज की आदत नहीं है और मैं वो शुरू करनी, तो मैं वो easy नहीं है.
नहीं है. Correct.
मुझे उसको अपनी हैबिट में डेवलप करने के लिए it will take
Some time. Yes, even we do that, doctor. Like being a naturopath, we never stop any kind of medications which they have been taking since ages. So वो उसके साथ साथ ही, because naturopathy is all about, it's all available in nature. It's nothing different, nothing ऐसा कुछ बाहर का medicine. It's whatever naturopathy का medicine is all the food which we are generally have in our home. तो उसी को incorporate करना है. The lifestyle which we have been doing since Vedic eras, old eras. वो time, it's only with time acceptance नहीं है अभी. तो वो चीज़ को ही हमें इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है बेसिकली.
एग्जाम्पल अभी जैसे मैंने बोला आपको कि it is healthy eating. So healthy eating means homemade foods. अभी homemade food doesn't mean that you start making pizza every day.
करेक्ट.
Made food means see, the best form of diet is to have a staple diet what you are having since your childhood. Because तुम्हारा जो intestines है, तुम्हारा
करेक्ट. जेनेटिकली. या. करेक्ट.
for digestion will be very good for you, right? You will not put on much of weight. Example मैं बोलती हूँ I'm eating something like pizza. I know मैं pizza खाई, my body is not used to that pizza. I'm not used to eating so much of मैदा. तो मेरा गट का जो मूवमेंट्स है वो अकॉर्डिंगली स्लो हो जाता है.
करेक्ट.
उसमें से जितने भी बैड एलिमेंट्स है वो एब्जॉर्ब हो रहे हैं, उसमें से फैट इंटेक ज़्यादा बन रहा है,
बराबर.
उसका अभी 50% फैट बन जाएगा. बट मैं बचपन से अगर इफ आई एम यूजिंग अ You can say a ragi chapati or a bajri chapati, yeah, just a rice eater also. It doesn't make a difference. ये सब के कैलोरिक वैल्यू में बहुत कम डिफरेंस
डिफरेंस है.
टेम्पल डाइटिक का है ना, दैट इज मोस्ट हेल्दी ना. अगर आप देखो कि डाइटिक के बहुत सारे तरीके आजकल मार्केट में आ गए, सब इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग,
हाँ.
एटकिंस डाइट है, यू नो, कीटो डाइट.
A meal a day. I know.
You can try whatever therapy you want, but if you're trying any therapy for a very short time, you will not want to get.
Consistency is really important.
Yeah. So consistency, following up your naturopathist or a doctor, like even infertility आपने infertility लोगों को लगता है डॉक्टर ने छू लिया प्रेग्नेंट हो जाए.
Right.
It is not like that.
Of course, because what my take is on that, doctor, कि आपको ये infertility का issue भी जो हुआ है वो काफ़ी वक्त पहले से शुरू हुआ है. Now you are noticing it. So of course it will take that long for you to reach that level का results expectation. तो expectation भी आपको वैसी होनी चाहिए. They don't have sabr and they're like, and because it is attached to our emotions, conceiving. Everybody wants to have child.
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
Everybody asks them, बच्चा नहीं हुआ बोले इतने सालों का बच्चा है. So what happens, then you get cut off from the world. Then again you're by yourself. Then again you start binging. You start eating. You remain psychological factors. Then you are just into your house. You don't like to meet people because अगर आपने लोगों से बात किया तो पहला question आएगा, ये married or having children? Now there is one more thing to this. Now girls are getting married very late.
Yeah, this is something else.
Yes, that is another aspect of just because you touch the infertility, we are even touching the infertility part of the discussion. So late marriages. That is another issue.
No.
Because आज की डेट में girls are also working. They also want to study. So they उनका एक thinking होता है कि भाई मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ, मैं कमा रही हूँ. And then I get married. और आजकल आप मैरिज में भी देखोगे तो boys are preferring girls who are working.
See, more of practical decisions they are making.
So that is also some way affecting your lifestyles,
Yeah.
stress levels, Of course, stress levels also play a lot of role in all these factors like
Yes, it's do.
PON, functioning and everything.
Correct.
See, stress इतना है कि आपका लोगों को आजकल, because if you are not good enough, you are out. Nobody has patience.
आप रेस से बाहर हो. And everybody wants to come first. They see here what I feel, doctor. This is the problem. कि everybody wants to come first. Why everybody wants to just enjoy the race at whatever position you are? I feel.
It's the peer pressure.
Yeah.
So what we say कि college का peer pressure होता है बच्चे को, no, it's the lifestyle का. Even when you grow up, when you are into practice, when you are into a job, there are a lot of peer pressures.
And I feel, doctor, nowadays kids are missing that childhood eras, that teenage eras. They are directly switching to, adult wala life.
The reason is this.
Yeah. And it is so shocking.
He's not an idiot, Pam.
This is the idiot, yeah.
See, I cannot stop my child from using the mobiles because then he feel कि मैं
inferior.
मुझे मीडिया के बारे में मालूम नहीं है.
Correct.
What is a podcast? I don't know what is opening your channel. I don't know how to interact in front of the camera. Like I don't know the news of the world.
Correct.
What is going on in which corner? What are the new outlets of food? What are the new foods? Like what get foods? What is the name of those European foods? This is
correct.
Fancy names.
Right.
Like, you go to a big restaurant recently, the Shilpa Shetty's restaurant, and like I can't taste these dishes because that is not my.
Not your taste also, and you don't know also. Yeah.
Children know each and
everything.
ये होता है उसमें potato mash होता है, बोलिए mashed potato bread बोल दी भाई.
Exactly.
So this generation was updated with that also.
Exactly.
This is an important thing. But how much use you are making of this in your day-to-day life? And exactly what are you taking out?
How much productive it is and how much of side effects you are actually getting out of it. So we should restrict the screen time. We can try doing that, I feel.
Monitored screen. Monitor. Like if your daughter is using the screen, then you should know.
What is she watching? Yeah.
For that, like I don't know how much of actually privacy का नया system चल like we need privacy. At the age of 14 and 15, you need privacy.
Foreign culture.
So we want to become, foreigner. Like,
yeah.
But do we really have that kind of situation in our own country? We are known for our, we can say we are not like American. We have a culture.
Yes.
We here live families.
Correct.
We have our laws. abiding on this, I think you should lead a life of whatever country you are into.
Correct, correct.
Because of my cousin staying in US and the particular lifestyle I should be doing that here, that's a wrong concept for young generation, especially
Mm,
girls into reproductive age groups.
correct, correct. Very true.
Back to that, now PCOD we were talking about. Now this PCOD has short-term as well as long-term effects.
Mm-hmm.
Short-term effects would be, as said, it's a vicious circle. And
Mm.
you put on weight, your hormones get disturbed, you get irregular cycles, you get acne, you get hirsutism,
Yeah.
tiredness.
It's one another, one another. Yeah.
Again, because of all this, your PCOD worsens, then you tend to put on more weight. Then because you're not, body is more hungry for access to be fed.
Correct.
Again, you start binging.
Correct.
So this is a vicious cycle which you have to break somewhere.
Correct. And there is no shortcut to this.
No shot.
Yeah.
There are now, if you now let us come to the weight loss shot. Now you get that Zipa injections.
GLP-1 injections. So
GLP. So do you really know, like, what are the side effects of this?
if not taken, if not taken properly. Nowadays, so people are just randomly taking it like that without any guidance.
Yeah.
Mm.
So because all again same now, all these stars are taking it now.
Trending. Trend. So all trends are not important to be followed, guys.
So you should know and filter. Like you should know where to put the filters for your face. This is a very important aspect. This is not for me. Like if I say कि भाई मुझे यहाँ से रोज रात में बॉम्बे ही खाना खाने जाना है, तो that is not feasible. The roads जाने को 2 घंटा 2 घंटा आने को, because all my friends staying in Mumbai and South Mumbai, I know the nightlife is very heavy. See, because they are staying in that sort of an area,
Correct.
not in that sort of an area. These luxuries, I can enjoy, but once in 10 days, once in 15 days,
We should not lose our own identity, I feel. Yeah.
that you should stick to the
Yeah.
place you are living in, where you are living, जहाँ तुम्हारा जैसे माहौल है. Of course, you can take liberties of having good food outside, outside binging, but you should have a limitation to all this. Having it every day, में आप घर में देखो, लोग खाने ही नहीं बना रहे हैं सैटरडे संडे, बाहर से आ जाना है.
बाहर से आ जाते.
भाई आज क्या मंगाना है, आज ठीक है यहाँ से बिरयानी आ रही है, क्या बनाना है, पिज्जा आ जाएगा, क्या करो?
Yeah, I know. Because so many cookery channels around.
तो यार घर में बनाना.
नहीं तो वो घर में तो बनाते हैं डॉक्टर, बट अगेन इफ वी सी द काइंड ऑफ स्पाइसेस विच वी यूज टू ईट पहले, एंड नाउ एवरी डे द मेन्यू इज almost like spicy food, and we don't have colorful plates anymore. Like we don't have veggies also in it.
Yes.
We are really into biryanis and all spicy food and all.
That is taking a toll. People are having a lot of gastritis issues now. Like you can see young generation popping in, pantoprazole, Rantac.
Yeah, exactly. And just like that.
It's become a peppermint. It's become like a, chocolate.
वही विदाउट नोइंग कि भैया वो गोली आपके पेट में जाके क्या कर रही है पता है आपको? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया व्हाट इज हैपनिंग?
See, so basically what we conclude like is ki lifestyle change is a very important factor.
Very true. There is no shortcut to it, I feel.
You have to make changes in your food habits, in your sleeping habits, your digital habits.
Yeah.
And of course, additions रहते हैं, which like laces, there's nothing wrong in going every minute. Laces are there, good laces like which don't harm your skin.
Yeah.
There are dirt cleansing medications available.
Correct.
You can go for it, like
Correct.
go for advice. So advice is also like an outlet where you're spinning out your heart to somebody. How will this feel? But patient just comes to you or comes to me for advice. Ki doctor, I'm putting on a lot of weight, doctor. I might not give any medications. You might not give any medications. You might give some castratic therapy.
Correct.
I might just ask कर कि ये lifestyle change कर ले, बस इसको नट्टा बंद रख ले, इसको दिमाग से दूर रख ले. How that small pieces of advices also do a lot of.
They play a lot of a big role actually. And आजकल क्या होता है डॉक्टर, even if we are advising somebody about diet or anything, and if we try to tell them कि आप screen time बंद करो, so they don't understand what is the link between screen time and my diet. Of course there is a big link into it. बहुत बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपका स्क्रीन टाइम आपका, बिकॉज इट डज, अगर आप रात को लेट सो रहे हो इट विल इफेक्ट योर मेटाबॉलिज्म. सो ये चीज़ें एज अ ले मैन इट्स वेरी, एंड इवन एज अ कंसल्टेंट It's very difficult for me to explain it to my patients.
See what I tell patient.
Hmm.
You go my short things. See, if a young girl comes into my consultation and says, "If I'm doctor, I'm putting on a lot of weight. I'm started getting acne." So I always tell them go and take a cosmetic help.
Hmm.
That's very important because if you are not looking good, then you also get negative vibes about
Correct,
yourself.
correct.
So looking good is one aspect,
Hmm.
and improve your internal health is another aspect.
Correct.
So
Very true.
food के लिए you have a lot of acne treatment, you have skin lightening treatment, and all कुछ आते हैं अभी नहीं. Now for internal things, it is your corporation, no doctor can help.
Exactly.
They can advise you.
Yeah.
And there is no. I always tell girls कि don't expect results when you are treating yourself internally without medications. It's shorter.
Of course, it takes
एक
time.
महीने मैंने डाइट किया, I improved my lifestyle, but 1 किलो रिजल्ट आया. सी पर 1 किलो आया ना. इनिशियली वो 3 महीने में तुझे 1 किलो प्लस हो रहा था. अभी वो 3 महीने तुझे 1 किलो माइनस
हुआ.
तो यू आर नॉट सीइंग द 10% इम्प्रूवमेंट.
Yeah.
You are doing it 90% failure.
Correct. So we need to have a very positive mindset and patience again.
Yes.
Correct.
So what I tend to tell my young girls coming to me, I tell them कि whatever changes I'm telling you, you make in your lifestyle, you make it for 6 months. Don't take a very short.
Yes. Even for acne patients, we also do that. First of all, we tell them that if you are getting acne grade 3, grade 4 acne, तो you have to improve your lifestyle. हम जो भी ऊपर से करेंगे वो long run तक नहीं रहेगा. If you are not improving the basics. Yeah.
So my advice to such generation who has got all this PCOS problem, which Dr. Parveen and me discussed, is key. What improvement in your lifestyle is first of less of oily food, less
Correct.
outside food, less of bakery products, and drinking lot of water.
Correct. And
Water is one of the
best cleansing for your eye. And I feel we should not. अभी आजकल के बच्चे doctor, they are so much into fitness. I mean, they are ideal on their BMI, but they still want to lose weight, and they are losing all good fat, and they are losing all the nutrition levels are going down, cortisol levels are going up. So this is also playing a hair fall. So बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना है. Just accept at whatever you stage you are. Keep working towards your goals.
Yes.
है ना? So this
You
way.
have to just push yourself. You have to follow, जैसे मैंने बोला कि डाइट के हिसाब से you have to stop frying, you have to stop sweets. You have to
Oh yeah. Cutting down sugar. Oh God.
और
बहुत होता है.
every 2 shops is a bakery shop.
Yeah.
Suddenly all the housewives have jumped into bakery. Like lot of bakeries, in-house bakery.
Yeah.
देखो ना, हमें एग्जाम्पल आप ले लो कि हमारी कंट्री इज अ कंट्री वी बिलीव इन सेलिब्रेटिंग ऑल द
Everything.
एंड ऑल फेस्टिवल्स कम्स विद स्वीट्स.
Sweet.
जस्ट आई जस्ट गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. अभी चारों भी गणपति हम आया 10 days
हाँ.
बिग फेस्टिवल फॉर अस. रोज हम मोदक खा रहे हैं यार, एक स्वीट खा रहे हैं. एक थोड़े दिन का गैप हो गया ना
नवरात्रि.
सो नाउ अगेन देखा, मतलब हमारे लिए प्रसाद इज
प्रसाद को ना नहीं बोलते.
है whatever.
Yeah.
तो स्वीटी होती है. आप अगर किसी दरगाह पे जा रहे हो या किसी मंदिर में जा रहे हो तो what you take is a box of sweets.
Sweet.
And then just because you've entered the mandir or you have entered a दरगाह, तो वो स्वीट को आप फेंकोगी नहीं. You will try and consume it or you give it to people who will consume.
Correct.
ज़्यादा कैलोरीज बढ़ा रहे हो.
दूसरों का.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एनीथिंग वॉट एवर आप दिल से अल्लाह भगवान गॉड को दो कि ना मैं एक्सेप्ट करेगा. मेक इट समोसा नेक्स्ट टाइम. आई टेक अ बेटर ऑप्शन.
I would prefer oats. जो मेरा अभी क्या चल रहा है, oats land हो गया.
तुम्हारा जो प्रसाद होता है नेवर, और शिवनी जो होती है नॉट ऑलवेज बी स्वीट, इट कैन बी सॉल्टी और
Salty also.
ओन इम्पोर्टेंट.
नमकीन भी हो सकता है, right?
तो थोड़ा कंसेप्ट अगर लोग हमारे कंट्री में बदलेंगे कि भैया हाँ स्वीट्स हमको कम करनी. फिर अभी दुर्गा खत्म हो जाएगा, देन वी स्टार्ट अप द बाइक्स.
Correct.
एंड अगेन दिसंबर इज अ मंथ ऑफ ये Christmas Eve will come, Easter will come.
Shakes.
I know initially they used to make cakes at home.
Yeah.
At least वो मुझे लगता है थोड़ा healthy.
Healthy भी है, अभी तो सब बाहर अवेलेबल है.
Even in my village, if you see, like मैं जिस जगह को बिलोंग करती है, it's a very small place with like आपको like a district place, but हमारे यहाँ concept होता था कि दिवाली के अंदर they used to make चिवड़ा, चकली, करंजी, everything at home. अभी तो भैया ये ऑर्डर लेती है, इससे करवा लो। एंड
सब अवेलेबल हो गया।
ऑनर ने क्या बना रही है क्या नहीं बना रही है।
Correct. I feel mainly, doctor, because everybody is working now, so they want everything just on the doorstep. Yeah, blink it कर दो। तो सारी चीजें हो गई है।
Blink,
So-
I don't know how useful this Blinkits and all these food apps have become to us. I stay in the heart of the city here. मैं देखती हूँ मेरे एक नीचे के रेस्टोरेंट्स रात में 2 बजे में भी लोग आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं, लोग चाइनीज खा रहे हैं, लोग तंदूरीज खा रहे हैं। When I get sometimes to see my patient at 2 o'clock, मैं बोलती यार मेरा खाना खा के 4 घंटे हो गए, मेरा डाइजेशन
हो गया।
people are still standing in that food outlets
Yeah.
for food. मॉल में आप जाओ, आपको 2 घंटे का वेटिंग मिनिमम है सैटरडे संडे।
Yeah, correct. वीकेंड्स पे अब निकल ही नहीं सकते बाहर, एज इफ के पता नहीं क्या ही चल रहा है वीकेंड्स पे।
So my advice would be eat home food, eat your staple diet. फिर बाकी तो एडवाइस किया ही and please consult, take help for your external duty, but internal duty you only can help yourself.
So everyone watching, all housewives, dads, head of the families, and even for that sake kids, accept कीजिए वरना बहुत लेट हो जाएगा। Literally I'm telling you. So आपको जो है ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है, प्रॉब्लम्स है वो एक्सेप्ट करना है, रूट कॉज पे काम करना है, और अपने लाइफस्टाइल को इम्प्रूव करना है टू सेव योर अपकमिंग जनरेशन। सीरियसली।
I swear. You said it, we had a lot of talk about this
Yeah.
young reproductive age group. Now we are talking about the married women. Like, you know, they have baby.
Conceiving.
Yeah.
So this increased amount of IVF conceiving and all. So आपका उस बारे में क्या बोलना है? Like अगर किसी को अभी से, like if our kids are small, so really we want to, you know, lay an example in front of you, in front of them. So what practice on a regular basis we should be doing apart from, of course we spoke about diet and everything. So apart from that, let's talk about a little bit of mental health.
Yeah, see, I give you mental health again. If you like, let us take an example. You know, when mental health, you say it's a huge topic.
Huge topic.
Like mental health in different age group has come up now. Like a lot of because of stress and everything. Like if I see if a lady who has just delivered, Abhi, she's also there's a lot of changes in her body, like right from hormones to her schedules. You know, so this is causing a lot of stress too. For example, it is not easy कि you put a baby in your hand. Now that baby you have to groom because that baby is very small. उसका खाना मतलब मिल्क देना उसको, उसका टाइमिंग सेट करना, तुम्हारा टाइप थे उसके हिसाब से आप चेंज कर रहे हो. So this also takes a toll. Presently, secondly, you've come out of just your delivery. But hormones also playing a role in your body.
Especially new moms.
There are a lot of stress. And nowadays there are nuclear families, there are no people to help around.
And more tough.
People are there, they are busy in their own lives, they are not telling help you. So now you are there for a few days, people will help you.
Correct.
10 दिन आवेंगी, मौसी आ गई, एक आंटी आ गई रहने के लिए आपके साथ, आप मैनेज करोगे. बट बाद में तो आपके बेबी को आपको ग्रूम कर रहे हैं. तो नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो ना यू आर सीइंग लॉट ऑफ पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन पेशेंट्स.
अभी ये कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ है, डॉक्टर अवेयर हुआ है अबाउट पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन. अदरवाइज इनिशियली वी यूज्ड टू सी ड्यूरिंग दिस एरा फीमेल्स नेवर यूज्ड टू गेट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम फैमिली. अच्छा ये क्या ड्रामा कर रही है, क्या ये कर रही है. सो दैट व्हाट मैसेज डू यू वांट टू गिव देयर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली मेम्बर्स और देयर फैमिली मेम्बर्स लाइक हस्बैंड्स इन लॉज कि एक न्यू मॉम जो अभी फर्स्ट बेबी हुआ है तो उनको कैसे हेल्प करना चाहिए?
अभी ज़माना चेंज हो गया है. हम जब पहले थे ना 40 देर वो लेडी को बहुत अटेंशन दिया जाता था, उसको काम नहीं करने दिया जाता था, उसको मसाजेस दिए जाते थे, उसको गोंद के लड्डू खिलाए.
Yes, yes.
Why गोंद के लड्डू? बिकॉज गोंद इज व्हाट, गम इज व्हाट, इट इज हाई कैल्शियम.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है, उस वक्त टैबलेट्स इतने इजीली अवेलेबल
नहीं थी.
और गम को बनाने के लिए कोई मीडियम चाहिए होता है. यू कांट हैव गम लाइक दैट,
Like that.
चिटर जाएगा. सो वी यूज्ड टू यूज लॉट ऑफ
ड्राई फ्रूट्स की मेथी एंड ऑल दैट.
ये सब पैम्पर होती थी वो लेडी एंड देयर वर ऑलवेज पीपल अराउंड हर लुकिंग आफ्टर हर. अभी सिचुएशन हैज चेंज्ड. दे हैव शिफ्टेड टू मोर ऑफ मेट्रोपॉल सिटीज, टायर 1 cities जहाँ पे यू डोंट हैव हेल्प. To be you are on your own. There will be people who will come for 8 or 10 days to help you and then you are on your own. Now that lady is under stress. She is again managing her own house. Probably आजकल तो on working from home का system है. Only because she has a financial issue or she has lot of EMIs to pay. उसको जल्दी join करना है. भैया 10 दिन में अगर work from home है मेरे पास तो मैं join कर लूँगी. Work stress plus एक baby आ गया है. अब वो baby का उसको खुद ही feeding कराना.
Correct.
And you know what? Because of these now, most of the children are shifting to top fields, which I don't agree to. You know why? Because your mother milk पिलाती है ना, she is giving a very, mother's milk is, you know, they say it's like a zamzam for the baby, you know?
एवरीथिंग
It is
सब उसी से मिल रहा है.
इसमें तुमको एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स मिल रहे हैं मम्मी के पास से, आपको एंटी एलर्जेंस मिल रहे हैं, फिर जो कुछ तुम्हारी मॉम फूड्स खा रही है वो आपके बॉडी में उसके
बेनिफिट्स जा रहा है.
एलर्जी आउट ऑफ इट,
Hmm.
and it's a very light milk, you know. I'm very bit moisture.
That's why we say na we need to feed the baby for 2 years at least,
Yes,
right?
yes, definitely. You should be feeding your baby at least say 2.5 years. Like if you
फिगर खराब हो जाएगा डॉक्टर.
it's the other way around. If you feed the baby, your figure will be better.
This is what I wanted to hear.
Because milk में आप fats lose कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
So when you are feeding the baby, you are not losing your figure, you are gaining your figure. You are coming back to normal. एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखो कि आपने एक बार बच्चा कर लिया है तो आपके हार्मोन्स नॉर्मल कभी नहीं जाएगी. You never get your that original figure. Don't look at Malaika Arora Khan, please, you know. There are always exceptions. You know what amount of effort she must have put in the body, we don't know. Like she is into that industry. But common man के लिए like हम जो जवाब बाकी की नो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ जीने वाले जो लोग हैं, एक बार जो हार्मोन्स आपके बॉडी में चेंजेस कर देता है, सब चेंजेस आर इरिवर्सिबल unless and until you are taking
Yeah, yeah. Since you took that name, ma'am, Malaika ma'am का आपने नाम लिया है, so like I know her a little bit at my early teenagers. So one of my company which I used to work with, so I know what kind of routine she follows. She is very strict to what she's consuming, even the air she is breathing, the kind of lifestyle she's living. That's how she's still like this. People say, कि, of course, she takes random help of whatever procedures, but her basics are extremely correct at this age also. So that's how she is like that. तो अगर उनको एज ए इंस्पिरेशन आप लोग ले रहे हो तो ज़रा होमवर्क करो और थोड़ा थोड़ा 50% भी आप करोगे तो योर प्रॉब्लम विल बी सॉल्व.
I know, I agree to that. सी कैसा होता है कि हम किसी चीज को देख लेते हैं एंड देन ये रियली आपको लगता है नहीं ना दिस इज माय यू नो आइडियल पर्सन आई एम टू फॉलो एंड
Yeah.
I'm like बट यू डोंट ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि वो बनता ऐसे
बना कैसे.
वो कहाँ से आ रहा है कैसे किया है उसने. सो बेसिकली आफ्टर डिलीवरी आप याद रखो कि आपकी बॉडी में बहुत सारे हार्मोनल चेंजेस हो, आप पे एक जवाबदारी आ गई है बच्चे की एंड यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन ट्रैक विद द बेबी. आपकी नाइट खराब होती है क्योंकि आप मदर्स महीने से वेरी लाइट में आपका बेबी हर 2-3 घंटे में उठने वाला है, सो नाइट आपकी डिस्टर्ब होने वाली. बट दिस शेड्यूल ओनली गोज फॉर अराउंड मंथ एंड 2 मंथ्स. बेबी को भी समझने लगता है कि भाई ये सोने का टाइम है, मुझे सोना है, एंड देन दे आल्सो ट्रेन देमसेल्फ. बट ये जो 2 महीना जो तुम 40 डेज जो आप बोलते हैं वो जो स्ट्रेस है ना वो रिलैक्स करने के लोगों का कॉपरेशन
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
आप हस्बैंड अगर ऐसा बोल दे भैया बच्चा रो रहा है मेरे को ऑफिस जाना है कि उधर जाके मैं उधर जाके सोता हूँ, दैट इज वेरी अनफेयर.
इट्स वेरी रॉन्ग. बेबी दोनों का है.
व्हाई डजंट अ हस्बैंड लर्न टू चिल द नैपी. यार अगर मेरी इसकी बेबी सो रही है अच्छी गहरी नींद और बच्चे का नैपी अगर खराब हुआ है तो हस्बैंड क्या चीट उतना उसको 10-15 मिनट या 1 घंटा जोड़िए रेस्ट.
कर लिया करो यार. इट रियली एंड आई विल टेल यू बिकॉज माय हस्बैंड डू दैट. तो हैव डन दैट आई मीन. सो आपका बॉन्ड बच्चे के साथ बढ़ेगा. that thing, you know, that thing, if you have a son, so when your son will grow up, so your bond will be completely different when your son grow up because you were there when mother and kids actually needed you.
Yes.
है ना.
So it is not about changing nappies. It is about so many supporting things. Wife अगर जाग के बच्चे को दूध पिला रही है, we need to sit with the hand around her. She would be so comforted. यार उसको लगेगा मेरे साथ कोई तो बंदा है ना जो मेरे साथ एक कर रहा है, you know. और अगर बात बताती हूँ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग का एक और एडवांटेज है, तुम्हारी इमोशनल बॉन्डिंग विद द चिल्ड्रन बिकम्स ग्रेटर. Yes. So don't think कि आपको जल्दी से जल्दी ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग बंद करना है. Please feed your babies.
Please feed your baby, seriously.
Very important. और आपको जो भी हेल्प अगर नहीं मिल रही है आपकी घर से तो बी वोकल अबाउट इट. आस्क फॉर इट.
You need to, this is a completely different subject, doctor. कि people, girls don't speak about it. Psychologically they become numb. कि मैं क्यों बोलूँ, अब कोई समझने ही नहीं वाला है, या then I will not speak only about it. No, you need to speak up and you need to take your own stand.
Yes. अभी एग्जाम्पल पहले ज़माने के लेडीज बोलती था हमने भी तो ये सब किया था, अभी हम लोग भी तो उसको सिंगल हैंडेड कर रहे थे. तो आप वो 40 दिन एक बिस्तर पे लेट के कर रहे थे. अभी 40 दिन कौन लेटता है यार.
Exactly.
सी अभी तो ऐसा है ना कि मेरा एग्जाम्पल आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन द हॉस्पिटल फ्रॉम डे 10 ऑफ माई डिलीवरी.
Wow.
आई हैव फेड माई बेबी प्रॉपरली जितना भी बोला है इतना, बट मैं काम कर रही थी. दो मेरा काम का मैंने एक थोड़ा सा दायरा बना लिया था, कर रही इतना ही लिमिटेड काम करना है, बट आई वॉज वर्किंग। सो मेरा स्ट्रेस लेवल ये है कि आप 40 दिन बिस्तर पर रह के अपनी जिंदगी बिता रहे थे उसको, और वो 40 दिन जिसमें मुझे बेबी सेटल करना है, आई एम हैंडलिंग माई हाउस होल्ड थिंग एंड
Everything.
मैनेजिंग अ बेबी। सो ये लाइफस्टाइल में बहुत फर्क हो गया है। तो मेरे घर, मेरे हिसाब से अगर घर में मदर इन लॉ है, सिस्टर इन लॉ है, या लड़की पेरेंट्स के यहाँ पे है, तो मदर फादर ने या भाभी भाई ने, दे शुड ऑल गेट इन्वॉल्व विद द लेडी, शोइंग हर सपोर्ट। करना तो सब उसको ही है यार, फीडिंग उसको ही करना है, हो ना उसको ही, बट एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम अगर जो बना लेते हो ना उसके आगे, उसका एक ना कंफर्ट बन जाता है, एक कंफर्ट जोन बना देते हो उस, कह रहा हूँ। तो वो लेडी के लिए वो एक मैजिकल एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है, रादर देन ना mental torture. Then she'll, I would like to have more 5 babies, right, instead of just one.
सो दिस इज व्हाट मैं सारे सासों से, सारे हस्बैंड से, सारे नंदों से, आई नो वी हैव गुड इन लॉज ऑल्सो देयर, बट मैं उन इन लॉज से स्पेसिफिकली बोलना चाहूँगी, प्लीज़ लव योर डॉटर इन लॉज। एंड उनको भले ही ऊपर ऊपर से जो भी अपना चल रहा है, बट व्हेन दे डिलीवर दे रियली नीड यू टू अंडरस्टैंड देम। तो उनके लिए आप साइकोलॉजिकली एक ऐसा एम्बियंस घर में क्रिएट करो कि अगर वो सो रहे तो उनके बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये नहीं चले कि अरे मैं ज़्यादा सोऊंगी तो मुझे इन लोग क्या बोलेंगे, अरे देखो सो रही है, अरे लेट हर स्लीप, बिकॉज शी हैज कम टू योर हाउस टू गिव यू योर अपकमिंग जनरेशन किड्स। सो आपका ही घर है जो आगे बढ़ने वाला है, सो जस्ट लव देम द वे यू लव देयर ओन चाइल्ड। सो ये जो है हमें माहौल बनाना है।
रियो सेकेंडली, जैसा मैंने सफर किया है, तो देन नो सेम थिंग आई शुड बी डूइंग टू माय डॉटर इन लॉ केस में। आप अपनी डॉटर इन लॉ को एकदम कंफर्टेबल करो, जमाना चेंज हो गया है, दुनिया चांद पे पहुंच
गई है।
और हम जरा भी, हम कहीं नहीं है। सो मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट रहता है कि भैया, जितना खुश माहौल आप अपने घर में रखोगे,
एग्जैक्टली।
उतना ही आपका बॉन्डिंग बढ़ेगा, आप एक दूसरे के साथ रहोगे। हर एक को बूढ़ा भी होना है, से एक्सपेक्ट कि आपकी डॉटर इन लॉ को बुढ़ापे में देखे, देन यू हैव टू गिव हर बैक बूस्ट
एक्चुअली
जब वो डिलीवर हो रही है, या उसका जो लो फेज चल रहा है। जिंदगी में लो फेजेस सबके आते हैं, उस टाइम अगर आप किसी का हाथ पकड़ोगे तो आई गारंटी कि आपके ओल्ड एज में भी आपके हाथ पकड़ने के लिए
बहुत तो मिलेंगे। एंड अ फीमेल व्हेन शी डिलीवर्स, she will never forget how she was being treated during the entire pregnancy and the post delivery, the recovery phase. तो आप अच्छे हो तो वो पूरी जिंदगी आपकी हो जाएगी, अगर आप बुरे हो तो वो बुरी तो नहीं होगी, बट शी विल रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग, शी विल नॉट फॉरगेट, शी मे फॉरगिव बट शी विल नॉट फॉरगेट। So doctor, one last question. I know I took a lot of time of yours. So one last question कि ये जो हमारा और हमारे एरा में ये अभी ये चल रहा है, बहुत पहले से चलते हुए आ रहा है कि नॉर्मल वर्सेस सी सेक्शन, तो ये वाला क्या कंट्रोवर्सी है एंड व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट कि सी सेक्शन है तो डॉक्टर को पैसे कमाने हो गए, इसके लिए काट दिया, तो उसका आपके बारे में क्या बोलना है?
Now this is a war of patience against the doctors. मैं
Yeah.
इससे ज़्यादा जाऊँ। See, प्रॉब्लम कैसे है कि हम सी सेक्शंस पहले इतने होते नहीं थे। I agree. तो सी सेक्शंस का रेट बहुत बढ़ गया है। But why? Because now practices become very safe. Even in there, पहले लेबर में पेशेंट आती थी, nobody used to bother. चल रहा है, डिलीवरी टाइम बेबीज मर जाते थे बहुत से।
या करेक्ट।
Now उस जमाने में लोग करते थे 8 बच्चे, 9 बच्चे, 10 बच्चे, तो बॉदर नहीं करता था, वो 1-2 बच्चे के किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बट नाउ सिचुएशन हैज चेंज। प्लस जो चीज़ें हमारे इंडिया में आई है, पहले इतना सोनोग्राफी नहीं था, एलएसटी मशीन्स नहीं थे। नाउ एलएसटी इज व्हाट बेसिकली, एलएसटी मशीन क्या होती है, जिसमें आप आपके बच्चे का हार्ट बीट रिकॉर्डिंग
डिलीवरी के टाइम
टाइम कर सकते हो। तो अगर मुझे हार्ट बीट मेरे उस बच्चे का दिख रहा है कि ड्रॉप हो रहा है, मुझे पता है
रिस्क क्यों लोग है।
तो ये चीजें हो गई है। उसके वजह से अभी एग्जाम्पल, पहले लोगों को वेट्स का अंदाजा नहीं रहता बच्चों के। एग्जाम्पल भी लोग बोलते थे कि मेरा बड़ा बेबी था इसलिए सीजर हो गया, तो पहले तो बड़े बड़े बच्चे भी नॉर्मल होते थे। दैट इज विद द रिस्क। व्हाट आई नीड माय पेशेंट इज रिस्क फ्री, क्योंकि मैं मान लो ये 1 या 2 बच्चे करने लगे। इट इज नॉट अबाउट, आपको क्या लगता है कि मैं एक सीजर कर लूँगा रात में 2 बजे तो मैं घर जाके आराम से सोती हूँ क्या? आई एम टेक्स्ट अबाउट किसी का पेट आप खोल रहे हो, आप किसी का पेट बंद कर रहे हो,
7 layers।
एंड देन आप जाके सो रहे हो आराम से। ये बहुत बड़ा मिसकंसेप्ट है सोसाइटी। अगर मैं किसी पेशेंट का सीजर कर रहा हूँ, मुझे टेंशन होती है जब तक कि पेशेंट अगले दिन मैं 24 घंटे बाद देख ना लूँ, मैं तो फिर और जल्दी 6 घंटे में जाके देखती हूँ। लेकिन अगर मैं उस हॉस्पिटल को विजिटिंग हूँ तो 24 आवर्स बाद मुझे मैं नेक्स्ट विजिट दूंगी।
करेक्ट।
तो जब तक मैं उसको देख ना लूँ कि हाँ भाई चलो ये पेशेंट चल रही है, पी रही, खा रही है, आई एम रिलैक्सड, नॉट ईजी। कोई भी डॉक्टर जानबूझ के सीजर नहीं करता कि इंडिकेशन बढ़ गए क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ सोनोग्राफीज बहुत बढ़ती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक डॉपलर नाक की सोनोग्राफी मन में करते हैं, उसमें हम बच्चे का ब्लड फ्लो देखते हैं। उसमें अगर मुझे देखा कि बच्चे को जाने वाला ब्लड फ्लो इतना परसेंटेज से कम हुआ है, तो मेरा काम है पेशेंट को बोलना
इन्फॉर्म
डिलीवरी। इफ यू डोंट गो, तुम्हारे बच्चे को
रिस्क है।
डिलीवरी के टाइम रिस्क है। बच्चे ने अगर म्यूको ने पास किया, मतलब संडास संडास की सांस की नली में
अंदर गया, हाँ।
तुम्हारा बच्चा यूनिवर्सिटी को लाइट अप हो जाएगा। अभी प्रिवेंटिव प्रैक्टिस है, सो इसलिए आपको सीजर रेट ज्यादा दिख रहा है।
करेक्ट।
अगर 100 ठीक है, उसके 2 नाल दिखाई गए। अभी 2 नाल के साथ बच्चे नॉर्मल डिलीवरी भी होते हैं,
बढ़ जाएगा।
तो आप, मैं तो हमेशा से पेशेंट्स बोलते आप इस पे साइन करो, मैं हुआ
कंसेंट लेके कर दो।
कौन देगा कंसेंट? बिकॉज आई डोंट नो टू टेक द टोकर ऑन माय हेड। मैं क्यों बोलूं कि यार कुछ हो गया तो लड़की में मम्मी की आती, मम्मी बोली कि हम ससुराल
Yeah, this is another story. This is another story.
सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज टू इट। बट प्रॉब्लम कैसा है कि सोसाइटी में सीजरियन रेट इसलिए बढ़ा है बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ एकदम रिफाइंड चीजें आ गई है अभी, चीजें डायग्नोस करने के लिए। टेक्नोलॉजी, सो टेक्नोलॉजी इज प्लेइंग अ रोल और आप उसको डिनाई नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि दैट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर। आपको उसका यूज करना है, आपको हेल्दी बेबीज प्रोड्यूस करने हैं, आपको लेस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीजें करनी है आपकी लाइफ में, तो फिर थोड़ा तो
होगा। But I feel very truth as you said, doctor. But I feel again यहाँ पे जो हम पहले डिस्कस कर रहे थे lifestyle, like yeah, it does make a difference ना, in for normal and for C-section.
So if you have a sedentary lifestyle, आप लेटते रहोगे, आपका बीवी बढ़ जाएगा।
So doctor, what role do post-delivery nutrition plays in our body?
Yes, again, as I said, there are a lot of hormonal changes and we need to put on a little weight during delivery because that is very normal. So post delivery, your body going back to the normal structure wise and hormonal changes in your body, definitely you need to take good healthy diet. Initially ऐसा लोग बोलते थे कि you should have, जैसे मैंने बोला, गम, goond, that is calcium, but we get a lot of calcium tablets
Available, yeah.
You've lost little blood, almost 1.5 liters. Then you need to refill with that.
Correct.
ठीक है, you need to have all the nutrients in proper balance to feed the baby.
Correct.
अभी सब चीज़ आप chemically नहीं खा सकते. That's why you should try and integrate everything good in your normal diet, like green leafy vegetables, a little bit of high protein diets, have a little bit of milk with 1 calcium tablet.
Okay.
So all these kinds of things really help you. Secondly, scale away massage. Like if you see massage पर important in Indian culture, so massage is go help. You know why? Because massage means basically you're exercising your
Muscles, correct.
का टोन पेट का खराब हो गया, you know, massage है, तो उसके साथ exercise is also one other.
Being active is also very, very important.
What I suggest now, my patient, jump back to your special diet, staple diet, not special, staple diet. Like if you are very active, then having a little bit of those laddus will make a difference. But if you have a very sedentary lifestyle, just avoid having those very high priced stuff because they contain a lot of ghee. And as you know, ghee is just empty calorie.
Okay.
So ऐसा नहीं कि घी हमने खा लिया आज तो हम बुढ़ापे में हैंडल लेने वाले, आगे कौन जिंदगी है?
Right.
Whatever you eat gets metabolized, goes out of your body, then you
Of course, yeah.
So have healthy diet, keep yourself very active, start your activity very early. Keep lying को कटे
Okay. Okay, this is what I actually wanted to know. So हमारे यहाँ अपने सोसाइटी में ये है कि अच्छा 40 days पूरा आराम करना है, तो ऐसे नहीं है, right? If you have a normal delivery, then you should resume your activities. Maybe not very strenuous activities, but
because you have a baby to take care. Look,
Correct.
you amount to see. If you see my registration card, I have certain postnatal exercise also. Especially अभी सब तभी का exercise. Because that's going to toll your tummy muscle.
Correct.
बांधने से tummy muscle को टोन नहीं आने वाला है. That's a wrong concept it goes in the society का tummy बांधो. बांधो से आपको temporary relief मिलेगा, आपको लगेगा सब कुछ अंदर जा रहा है. But once you stop tying it, it's going to come back.
come out.
Because muscle tone के लिए you need to exercise the muscle. हर घर के काम में एक्सरसाइज होती है. आप ही झाड़ू मार रहे हो, आपका शोल्डर, आपका ये जॉइंट वर्क कर रहा है, you know, cooking.
So we can get into core strengthening exercises.
If you're normal delivery.
Yeah, after what, 7 days?
Yeah.
7-10 days.
7 to 10 days once your episiotomy is healed. टाका लगता है.
ताका लगता है.
तो ये हो गया. अब अपने बुटीक पे चले जाओ. So exercise and a proper nutritious diet is a mainstay to go back to your normal self posture.
And I think indirectly it will definitely help you for your skin and hair problems जो हम generally delivery के बाद face करते हैं.
Hair loss.
Hair loss, yeah, hair loss.
और उसको क्या कोरिलेट किया जाता है, जब तक बच्चा दूध पिएगा ये होगा ऐसा. क्यों होगा? जो उसका है वो आपके बच्चे को जा रहा है, so have a nutritional diet तो hair loss नहीं होने वाला है.
नहीं मेरे टाइम पे डॉक्टर ये बोलते थे कि व्हेन आई डिलीवर्ड माय किड्स तो मेरे बेटे के टाइम पे 8 इयर्स बैक कि अरे वो चलने लगा ना अभी तेरे बाल जाएंगे.
Ready? Now what correct reset से lot rock कैसे and nutritious diet, go back to your
Yeah.
routines and keep feeding your baby.
So guys, so I really had a very good time with you doctor. This was my first episode and I've really enjoyed in the core. I'm sure मेरे followers को भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा myths वगैरह जो है वो clear हुए होंगे. So thank you so much Dr. Anjum. So I have a little token of love from Shades Aesthetic to you, which I really want to give it to you. दो भैया.
Thank you, Percy. I enjoyed doing this talk. And it was really, like, if I can really help even 10 people of the society, that's done.
We will definitely do a part 2 for this.
Yes.
So whoever is like this session, do comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much, doctor. This is a small token of love.
Again, you're giving me calories, but anyways,
So you can,
thank you so much. I really
yeah,
nice products you have given. These are
yes.
products.
Yeah, these are my few of my own products and basic skincare, which are chemical free. You can easily use. It doesn't have a lot many actives also. आपके इस routine पे easily जाएगा.
I'll technically use this and get
Do give you your feedback. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much, doctor. So guys, if you have really liked this session and if you want to see more such videos, so share करो, like करो, subscribe करो, अपने दोस्तों में बताओ and stay tuned. Bye bye.